Friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, are you facing BGMI resource pack download stuck at 0% on Android? BGMI is Battlegrounds India. I hope this video is going to help you out. Let's go with the process. Let's go to phone settings. Now you just need to go to apps option here. Tap on it. Now click on app management. Then we just need to find the app. You can see Battlegrounds India is here, right? Either you can by searching find the app here. By searching here like this also you can find. Now let's tap on force stop. Tap here. Now tap on storage usage. Clear cache. Clear data. Delete. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Delete it. Then go back. This is nothing. Once you delete the data, after deleting this, if you will open the app, you have to give all the permissions and you have to log in with the credentials. That's it. And this is the first process where you can get the solution. And now I'm going to tell you the second process. The second process is, again you have to go to phone settings, go to apps, again go to app management, and now here you have to search Google Play services for AR, right? Let's tap on it. Now you have to again click on force stop. Tap on it. Now tap on storage usage. Tap on it. Then tap on clear cache. You can see now after clearing the cache it is showing as 0, and then move to clear data. Let's tap on it, and then this app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So you should not worry, you should just simply delete it. And once after following these processes, once you open the app, you have to give all the permissions and you have to log in by the credentials you are using. So that's it. There is no worry about deleting the data, right? And after doing this process, you have to just restart the phone. And after restarting the phone, you have to go to Play Store. Let's tap on it. And then find the app BGMI. Battlegrounds India. If you're not able to download, you can download it. Since I already have downloaded this, so now let me show you how to play. If this will not support, it can't be open, right? It will get an error. But now, since this device is supporting now, I'm able to open this. So I have to allow and give all the permissions as I said. And also you can uninstall it and install it again. I hope this video is going to help you out, and if you like the video, please hit on like button and also please share with your friends. And if you want to get more and more content from my channel, and if you want to get the such type of technical issues resolved, so please help with the like, share and subscribing. Thank you for watching.